so we're here with Jason. He's finally talked me into getting into the Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo EVO2, which is a Italian alphabet sandwich or salad. So
he's gonna love it, I promise.
You're not a professional race car driver, but you did stay at a Holiday Inn Express, correct?
Absolutely.
There we go.
My cool suit running.
Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
I'll make sure the window's open.
I mean, it already feels like an oven in here.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
And you can see your lap times if you want. This will be the best lap, and this will be your lap time.
All
or
right.
whatever lap we run, it'll show you what it is. So you can glance over there and see.
So it's about, what, 600 horsepower V10?
620.
620?
All right, once we get going, I won't be able to hear you at all. So.
That's fine. Awesome, dude. Thank you.
What
I
do you
probably
think?
shouldn't have said effing awesome.
On the video. Well, you can.
Well, that not only was the fastest that I've ever been around CMP, it was about a 131.4 lap. It was also the hottest I've ever been in a car. The side windows almost allow no air into the car. So very, very warm, but very, very fast. The braking was amazing, especially going into turn 8 and also into turn 14. It's gonna make my Camaro ZL1 1LE seem very slow compared to the Lamborghini. What would Mr. Lamborghini say, Jason?
Well, I'm cheating with a Chevy. I don't know. I don't know what to say about it.
I don't know if you can say Chevrolet with an Italian
I
accent.
said Chevy. I didn't even say Chevrolet. I said Chevy. I am a country boy. I said Chevy.